Hello, Eagles. This is Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. My name is Keroy King, aka Mother Eagle, your women empowerment expert, and we are so glad to have you. Today, I wanted to talk about hiding behind generalizations. We go around making generalized statements and using them as excuses to remain handicapped. You hear generalized statements like, "Oh, there are no jobs." Is that really true? If you look at maybe the economic report of your city, of your country, you will discover that in this month there were so many job openings and people got jobs. If you go around thinking you will not get a job, of course, as a man thinks, so is he. If you think you failed, you already failed. If you think you are a winner, then you are a winner. Yes, the jobs may be limited, but let that one job that is there be the one for you. Why should there be maybe 10,000 jobs opening up in a month and yours is not in there? Refuse to be the odd man out. Think success, demand it. Demand that the only opportunity existing will be your opportunity. The generalizations don't work. For example, sometimes you hear statements like, "Oh, the economy is so bad." Well, that may be true for some people, but then others, because the cash flow is still around, the money hasn't disappeared, but it's going into someone else's pocket. The question is, why doesn't a portion of it come to your pocket? And it all goes back to the mind, the mindset. Do you have a success, a prosperity mindset? Because you have to embody the mindset so you think and do and take actions that will bring the right results. Any situation we find ourselves in is a summation of all the thoughts we are thinking up to this moment. Our results, our physical, tangible results, are just evidence. They are fruit of what is at the root. So the question is, what is at the root? It's like finding a mango tree and you expect it to have oranges. There won't be any oranges. Why? Because it's a mango tree all the way from the root. It's just everything is mango. No confusion about it. So if you want to be a success and stop hiding under generalizations of how things are around you, you have to go in you and start figuring out, how am I thinking? Because if you wake up in the morning thinking lack, thinking you're the old man out, yeah, that's what you'll be. We are creative beings. We are creative creatures. We use our imagination and visualization to see through our mind's eye and then bring it into tangible evidence by putting steps to it until it becomes real. The question is, what do you see? What are you seeing in your mind's eye? If you're seeing lack and poverty everywhere, that's what you'll get. We thank God for the internet, because if you think your environment is so bad and you can't think prosperity, go online and Google some things that look prosperity so that you get a different viewpoint. See someone in your neighborhood who you admire, and get your spirit and faith increased, in the way you look at things. I remember the way my faith expanded. I read a book by Dr. Oyedepo, and oh my God, he's my YouTube mentor. I love Dr. Oyedepo, and his book exploits anointing for exploits. My faith jumped from normal faith to the spirit of faith. I walked away believing I could do anything and everything in this world and do it with ease and gentleness and grace. The faith just increased. So today I'm encouraging you, stay away from generalizing. Be specific in all your statements and in all your doings. If you find yourself on the other side where there is lack, know that that is just a symptom, a physical symptom showing you that the root has an issue and the root needs to be dealt with. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave your comments and visit our Facebook group. I'll see you there. Bye.